Street You TV, and this is Inner Vice, ladies and choice. Say it's a beautiful day. Got a shout out to my sisters. Love is here to stay. Say it's a beautiful day. Got a shout out to my brothers. Spread the love, okay. I don't know, sir, Inner Vice and Capleton with that one. It named Beautiful Day. Big up David House. Big up Street You TV. Yeah, man, that's the real thing.
Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to the Street You TV. And we're in the kitchen today with a little different thing, you see me? Well, today we are going to make some patty. And an ackee we are going to use without saltfish. We just going to season it and just deal with our thing, our way. You see me? Catch this. Follow me. Kitchen. So, we have 2 cups of flour in this. Little bit less than half pound. So 2 cups of flour. A little salt. Alright. A little better pack. Better pack curry. Alright, watch me now. So, plant-based butter. See, non dairy. How we now go dairy way. See, yeah man. Now country cook too. With the plant-based style. Look on it, man. See yeah. Alright. And remember our ackee, we now come out of the tin. It's come out of the tree, not out of the tin. So we have got the natural way forever since. Alright. So when you see the Street You TV, just say kitchen. So when you deal with the patty and you want to deal with the crust, crust we are investing in right now, you see me? That's how we deal with the crust. And you know the patty crust is a must. I wonder if you're not too far. You can tell me if you're not too far, you know. Take them a little closer, Street Youth. Do it, youth. Alright. And your butter have to be frozen. Understand? The butter have to be frozen. See? See what I go on here, sir? Alright. Make sure you see what I go on, because that's how you're going to build the crust. now. We're going to just rest back this butter in the freezer. Alright, we're getting there, we're getting there, we're getting there. Don't be scared. Alright. Left out anything? I'll get my ice cold water from the freezer. So we get some cold water to deal with it. Can put all a little baking powder in it, not much, just a little. Just a little. Just a little. Remember, we're dealing with the patty crust. Okay? See it coming. Anybody can do this at home, you know. It's not hard. Alright. This is my dough for my patty. Alright. This is how it looks. This is my patty dough. Alright. Just stick around. I actually get plastic wrap. I have the plastic wrap right there, son. drop him back in the plate, put him to sit down in the fridge for like an hour. You understand? You can go and chill. You see? So watch your style now. As me tell you, say, ackee. No meat. So, let's stuff them together. So when you see the Street Youth TV, what you have to say? Kitchen. Don't say a thing. You know, we just there, so, and we not watch nothing. We just look where we are go. You see what I'm saying? So, get some wash out. Get some nice stuff, then wash off. Trash. Onion. Don't know what thing going on. Tomato. So that's proper dice. Yeah, so this is our seasoning for our ackee. So, you know what I'm going to do now? Put on the ackee on the fire, make it just scald. I don't want it boil and mash out, so I'm not going to boil it out. You understand? So alongside my seasoning, I need 2 pieces of garlic, fry out in my oil. And this is my fresh thyme. Let them wash off. Dice up my thyme. These are natural seasoning. Street Youth, Beat Youth, beat them like a beetroot. Street Youth TV, like, share and subscribe. Alright? See the subscribe button up there, so just give it a look. See him? Yeah, man. Give the video a like, please and thanks. So, as you can see, we have it active on the fire. We have a pot for it active on the fire. A little salt in there. One side. Let my ackee out. This is good ackee. Look at it. Nothing from the tin. Yeah. Not so I not eat from the tin because me a man will love ackee. So anyhow I get ackee, I go eat it because I love ackee, you see. So remember, this is what's gonna go into the patty. You understand? This is not cooking oil. This is coconut oil. Right? Organic, no GMO, natural. You don't get no natural than this. See? Not cooking oil, coconut oil, natural. And if you look natural coconut oil like this, it have to mark cold press. Cold press. See? That's how natural it is, cold press. So like the coconut itself, they have a machine where they dig it out and they press it and the oil just come natural. This is it. And this is it. This is the same thing. This is this and this is this. Natural. Alright. So there we go. So remember, I'm not boiling my ackee, I'm just calling it. So when you're ready, just easy. So what I'm gonna do, just put my pot, frying pan on, right there, so you can see. So just getting ready. Just clear up the kitchen right here. Get the kitchen clear up, right guys? Right? Right. Right? Like, share and subscribe. Done with this for now. Don't want to ackee mash out, so I'm not giving it too much boil, not too much scald. turn off now. Like, share, and subscribe. Street Youth TV. Let's take it off of the fire because I don't want it to get too soft. So what time now? Time I move. Alright, so here we go. This is just our seasoning, right? Let me scotch bonnet pepper there. I want to look out my scotch bonnet. Can't do that. We have the good old scotch bonnet pepper, see there? Good old scotch bonnet, so. Remember me tell you, so everything we do, we wash. We have to wash. So, I'm not joking. You understand? Get in there. Drain off the water from the ackee. water is off my ackee. And this is my ackee patty. No beef, no chicken. Ackee patty. Ackee patty. No beef, no chicken. No such thing. Alright. Put in the work. Yeah, we're done with this. So, done with this. Done with this. Go ahead and take the pepper out. Remove the pepper. Remember, still have an next piece remaining there. This is what I want. Take it to them, take it to them. This is my ackee. Alright, so want some black pepper now. No, now put no salt in it because I already put some salt in the water, I boil the ackee already. Isn't it? So no salt now add to this. It's not gonna fresh. I swear. Good man. Good, 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 good. That pepper can go back in there for a minute. Yeah. Ready. So that is that. Guess what? No. Fire off. So you know what time it is. That was quick. actually the ackee. Understand? Very colorful. No saltfish. Nothing artificial. You get it? So stay tuned. Bring you right back. You have to see the finishing product. Non joke. Yeah, peeps, as you can see. I'll use the surface, yeah, for my patty. Alright. You know me do get a good rest on the fridge. The door rest for an hour on the fridge, so you know get a good rest. Remember we make ackee patty. So I not even call it patty, I call it yati. So what we are gonna do to get the real crust when you eat the patty, we don't use shorten or what them call it, or we don't use lard and them something there. We just use some country butter. And you know the butter here, a plant base. So no dairy, dairy free. Alright. So you have to keep the rolling pin as dry as possible. by using some flour upon it. Yeah. Give the video a like, and you can do what you see me do yourself at home, because it's not hard to do. Don't bother doubt yourself and tell yourself so you can't do it. You can do it. So just watch the video and give it a like. And if you don't subscribe as yet, see the subscribe button right up there, so just press it and give me a subscribe. Right? Please and thanks. Alright, same procedure. You want the patty crust to flaky. Remember the butter we I use, it's have to coming straight from the freezer. Well tough. So you can get it to grater. Watch your style now, peeps. So you know, preparation still a go on. So, cut out my patty then now. My yati. So, I'm not making them too big. Alright? So you know what time it is. So this dough, I'm gonna just roll them over and have them to cut again. do this because I'm stacking them on one another. Just they don't stick. Little flour on it. Just they don't stick. So here we go again. Get a surface flour. Gonna roll all these out there. Like, share and subscribe. Street Youth TV. Street Youth. Beat Youth. Beat them like a beetroot. Yeah. So just finish it. Rolling out our stuff right here. Like, share and subscribe. Street Youth TV. Subscribe button right up there, so just look up and give it a press. And like the video same time. And if you're not subscribed yet, remember, I right up there side. But if you subscribe already, just give the video a like, share, and comment. Alright? Thank you very much. Viewers and subscribers. Watch what I go on. When you see me, what you have to say? Kitchen. Over here, sir. This is my sheet, tin sheet, baking tin. Put my grease paper in. You can see. This is my patty right here, aka my yati. Yeah. So, let's follow the procedure. That I go on, and what I go on. Yeah, look. Alright. Alright. So I go on. And remember, we're making ackee patty, what we call a yati. Alright. Remember the last time I make some patty, I didn't see the finishing product. So here we go. I'm walking you through this one. And remember, you can do it at home. Never say you never or you can't. And remember, this ackee don't have any saltfish in it. We don't want no saltfish in it. Alright? Right. What I'm gonna do, get a little water and touch the end. Just gonna carry it around. It's kind of a little easy to paste and hold together. Alright. So I use this just to make it look a little bit more appealing, right? Look at this. A patty. Yeah, you see what's going on right there. See? So, stay tuned. I'm getting there. Viewers and subscribers, watch what they go on. You want to see this? So, can't say I never walk you through the patty. So this is what it look like. Going in the oven now. Is it? So, give me like 30 minutes. I put them in right now and then you know what time it is. Crunching and munching. Right? Follow the Street Youth TV. Like, share, and subscribe. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice, lovely, juicy ackee patty. Alright? So, this will go on now in the oven. See that? Up and running. So viewers and subscribers, I will see you in a couple of minutes. When I'm ready, you first will see them. You first will know what's going on. So, don't go nowhere. Subscribe button there right up there, so. See it right there, so? Just press it and subscribe if you don't subscribe as yet. And if you don't like the video as yet, give it a like. Share it with your friends and family. Alright? Street Youth TV. Don't go nowhere. They're right here, so. Alright. Viewers and subscribers, as you can see, finishing product with a patty. See them there? Patty them ready, like a Freddy. You see me? Yeah. Yeah, so right, that's our thing there. Party time. Up on them. Yeah. So I'm like a close and let me show you how they go on. See the crust them now. So that's how crusty it is. Crusty, crusty. You see me? See this? Ackee patty. People, I'm going to tell you. So, my viewers and subscribers, thank you for watching the video. And now you get it. Here you get it. Ackee patty. Nice, not lie you. Nice. If you don't subscribe as yet, see subscribe button up there, so press it. And if you subscribe already, always like the video them. Remember the notification sign. That's every time I post a video, you always get it. You are the first one. So, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching the video. Street Youth TV. Street Youth. Do it, youth. Beat them like a beetroot.